There are a lot of goofy American pickups you won't believe exist. I didn't either before making this video, and almost all of them are really quirky and goofy, but I gotta start with my favorite, which is functional in its own way. The 1948 Dodge B-Series. Unlike the previous models, the B-Series was Dodge's first truck on a dedicated platform, delivering powerful performance and solidifying Dodge's reputation for reliability. The 1948 B-Series wasn't about flashy extras or chrome trim, it focused on the essentials for the job: durability and utility. Its sturdy chassis and reliable engine were engineered to endure daily wear and tear without interruptions. The B1B featured a 95 horsepower or 71 kilowatt flathead straight-six engine. Meanwhile, the B1C was outfitted with a standard 108 horsepower or 81 kilowatt flathead straight-six engine. These trucks boasted an engine displacement of 218 cubic inches. Dodge's engineering advancements included shifting the engine forward and the axle rearward, which not only enhanced weight distribution, but also improved the turning radius. Surprisingly, the power-to-weight ratio of these trucks was quite commendable. The B-Series showcased Dodge's tailored approach to meeting diverse work needs with a range of trucks. From the B1B, a versatile half-ton pickup, to the B1C, a sturdy 3/4-ton option for heavier loads, Dodge provided solutions for various tasks. You could get the bed lengths customized for optimal cargo space, and a four-wheel drive variant ensures capability in challenging terrains. Inside, while not luxurious, the cabin offered ergonomic comfort with clear gauges, accessible controls, and supportive seats for long work days. The 1948 Chevy panel. The 1948 Chevy panel effortlessly bridged the gap between conventional pickup trucks and delivery vans, combining utility with practicality tailored to its time. Unlike typical pickups with exposed beds, the 48 Chevy panel boasted a fully enclosed cargo area. This weather-resistant compartment provided essential safeguarding for a range of cargo, whether it was groceries, tools, equipment, or even small work teams. Inside, its expansive layout allowed versatile configurations to meet diverse needs, whether transporting goods or passengers efficiently. The 1948 Fleet Master sedan was powered by a robust 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, delivering a respectable 83 horsepower, which was consistent throughout its three-year production span from 1946 to 1948. Complementing its engine prowess, the Fleet Master featured a 3-speed manual transmission and utilized 4-wheel hydraulic drum brakes. Over time, customization options for the 1948 Chevy panel have expanded significantly. While the original model offered a range of engine choices, modern enthusiasts have introduced various upgrades. Moreover, the 1948 Chevy panel's versatility extended beyond conventional uses. By reconfiguring its interior layout, it could be transformed into a mobile office on wheels. This flexibility made it an ideal choice for sales professionals or anyone requiring a portable workspace, complete with a desk and ample storage space, enabling productivity on the move. Chevrolet SSR. The Chevrolet SSR is a one-of-a-kind vehicle that blurs the line between a sports car and a utility truck. With its retro-inspired design, rounded curves, and retractable hardtop, the SSR brings classic hot rod styling into the modern era. It catches everyone's attention with its unique blend of vintage and contemporary elements. Just look at it! But it's not just about looks. The Chevrolet SSR also packs a powerful punch under the hood, and this thing doesn't disappoint when it comes to interior design. The cabin is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, with plush seating, intuitive controls, and ample storage space. The cockpit-like layout puts everything within easy reach, making every drive a pleasure. And with the top down, you can truly experience the exhilaration of driving a convertible truck. Whether you're a fan of classic hot rides or just looking for something a little different, the SSR is sure to impress. But let's move on to the next one on the list, the 1948 GMC Coe Pickup. The Chevy Coe, or cab-over engine, characterized by its distinctive bulldog nose, stood out as one of GM's most unique designs. Placing the cab over the engine was intended to provide drivers with a superior vantage point, enhancing visibility and operational control. This configuration also allowed for a shorter wheelbase, facilitating tighter turns and maneuverability in urban environments, where narrow alleys and sharp corners pose challenges for longer trucks. Originally, the 1948 GMC Coe offered a range of inline-six engines, tailored to different models and trim levels. The Coe configuration positioned the driver's cabin directly above the engine, a departure from the traditional long-hooded trucks of its time. This design maximized cargo bed space on a compact frame, appealing to delivery services and construction companies navigating tight urban environments and heavy loads. Admittedly, comfort took a back seat in the Coe Pickup. The elevated driver's seat provided a distinctive view but lacked luxury. The 1948 GMC Coe Pickup wasn't just another truck. It symbolized the creativity of automotive engineers. While its Coe layout became less common in light-duty pickups over time, its influence persists in medium-duty trucks focused on maximizing cargo capacity. The 1950s Packard Pickup. During the 1950s, Packard, celebrated for its luxurious sedans and coupes, also ventured into the realm of commercial vehicles, notably pickup trucks. Although not as prevalent as offerings from other brands, Packard's pickups were not as common as those from other manufacturers, but they still hold a unique place in automotive history. It was equipped with dependable and efficient inline-six engines, known for their reliability in various driving conditions. Among the notable engines of that era was the Straight 8, famously recognized as the Thunderbolt 8, delivering smooth and consistent power output. These engines were typically paired with manual transmissions, contributing to the straightforward and reliable driving experience characteristic of Packard's commitment to quality and performance in their commercial vehicles. Packard pickups were distinguished by their hallmark styling elements, including the iconic ox yoke grille and sophisticated chrome accents. The cab design balanced functionality with style, providing a comfortable interior for both drivers and passengers alike. Meanwhile, the bed area was purpose-built for efficient cargo hauling, underscoring Packard's commitment to practicality alongside its renowned aesthetic appeal. The 1967 Kaiser Jeep M715. The 1967 Kaiser Jeep M715 stands as a testament to uncompromising off-road capability and rugged durability. Originally designed for military operations, the M715 seamlessly adapted to civilian use, maintaining its formidable reputation. The M715 is equipped with a robust inline six-cylinder, 3.8-liter overhead camshaft tornado engine, delivering a capable 132.5 horsepower. Coupled with a 4-speed Warner T98 manual gearbox, this setup ensures efficient power transmission across various terrains. Adding to its off-road prowess, the M715 incorporates a 2-speed MP200 transfer case, enhancing traction and maneuverability in challenging conditions. To support its electrical needs, the vehicle maintains a 24-volt system powered by 2 reliable Optima yellow-top batteries, ensuring consistent performance and reliability in diverse operational scenarios. The Kaiser Jeep M715, while not known for comfort, embodies unparalleled off-road capabilities and an enduring aesthetic appeal that defines it as a timeless classic. It serves as a nostalgic reminder of an era where Jeeps were crafted to overcome any obstacle, showcasing their robust engineering and cementing their legacy as legendary workhorse trucks. 1957 Jeep FC150. Introduced in 1956, the FC150 showcased a forward-controlled design, also known as cab-over, which positioned the cab over the engine for enhanced maneuverability and cargo space efficiency. Marketed for diverse applications, ranging from corporate and municipal use to military and civilian work vehicles, these trucks exemplified versatility in their design and functionality. The FC150 was equipped with mechanical components that were also found in the CJ5, highlighting its robust design and versatility. It featured an F-head 134 cubic inch 2.2-liter 4-cylinder engine, known for its reliability and performance across various terrains. The transmission was a 3-speed manual T90, offering drivers precise control and durability under challenging conditions. For enhanced off-road capability, the FC150 included a Spicer 18 T-case transfer case, enabling selectable 4-wheel drive operation to tackle diverse landscapes. Both front and rear axles were robustly constructed, with the front utilizing Spicer 25 axles and the rear incorporating Dana 44 axles, ensuring stability and traction on uneven surfaces and rough terrains. The FC150's utilitarian appearance and robust build was not about looks but functionality. Its boxy shape and practical layout made it highly sought after by fire departments, utility providers, and others needing a vehicle capable of carrying substantial loads. 1947 Mercedes-Benz Unimog. At the heart of the Unimog's unparalleled adaptability are 2 ingenious innovations: portal axles and modular construction. Portal axles elevate its off-road prowess significantly. By positioning the differential higher than traditional axles, the Unimog gains exceptional ground clearance, enabling it to surmount obstacles that would impede even the most capable SUVs. The 1947 Mercedes-Benz Unimog featured the formidable Daimler-Benz OM636 diesel engine, delivering a reliable 25 horsepower, known for its durability and fuel efficiency. This engine was renowned for its robust performance, delivering ample torque and efficiency crucial for the Unimog's diverse off-road capabilities. Its modular design adds another layer of brilliance. The Unimog's versatile platform accommodates a diverse array of attachments, effectively converting it into a multifunctional vehicle. Whether clearing snow during the winter or serving as a mobile fire truck in remote locations, adapting is a matter of attaching the necessary equipment. This adaptability renders the Unimog indispensable for those seeking a vehicle that meets diverse operational requirements. The Unimog's legacy extends far beyond 1947. Daimler-Benz took over production in 1951 and has continued to refine the design. Today, Unimogs are still revered for their versatility, finding applications in agriculture, forestry, military operations, and even disaster relief. 1948 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. The Cameo Carrier distinguished itself with car-like features such as stylish two-tone paint options and a comparatively plush interior. Customers had the option of equipping it with a robust 283 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 185 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque, concealed neatly behind a retractable rear bumper. The spare tire added to the truck's slender design and functionality. At its core, the Cameo Carrier's allure extended beyond its striking chrome accents. Its standout feature was the elegantly crafted wood panel bed, a versatile innovation that served as both a sturdy cargo hold and, ingeniously, a comfortable passenger space. The transformation process was remarkably straightforward. With a few strategic adjustments, the wood panels unfolded into spacious bench seats, while the tailgate ingeniously converted into a supportive backrest. This innovative design provided unexpected versatility, enabling the Cameo Carrier to effortlessly shift from a functional work vehicle to a comfortable leisure companion. 1960s Toyota FJ40 Pickup. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 stands as an iconic 4x4 utility vehicle revered since the 1960s. Initially crafted for military and agricultural purposes, it swiftly captured the hearts of adventurers, explorers, and nature enthusiasts alike. The FJ40 boasted a robust ladder frame and a rugged body-on-frame construction, embodying exceptional durability. Its solid axles, generous ground clearance, and four-wheel drive capability enabled the FJ40 to triumph over rugged and demanding landscapes. Under the hood, the FJ40 housed a range of engines, initially the F-Series inline-six and later upgraded to the 2F inline-six, ensuring reliable performance across diverse conditions. The Toyota FJ40 is a testament to the idea that sometimes the simplest things are the best. It's a true off-road icon and a reminder that a good truck doesn't need all the bells and whistles to get the job done. The 1946 Dodge Power Wagon. Its journey begins with Dodge's WC Series military trucks, celebrated for their resilience in transporting troops and vital supplies across challenging wartime environments. This storied lineage seamlessly transitioned into the civilian Power Wagon, ensuring its durability and ruggedness right from its inception. The transition from battlefield to showroom required minimal adaptation, underscoring the truck's innate durability and adaptability. The 1946 Dodge Power Wagon came fitted with a 230 cubic inch or 3.8-liter flathead inline-six engine. Its innovative design featured an internally mounted camshaft and valves, which contributed to its compact size and dependable performance. This engine boasted 94 horsepower at 3,200 RPM and delivered a robust 185 pound-feet of torque at 1,200 RPM, making it suitable for various rugged applications. The Power Wagon's design epitomizes its purpose, with a distinctive flat fenders that enhance ground clearance and minimize terrain damage. Beneath this rugged exterior lies a robust four-wheel drive system, equipped with locking differentials, ensuring unparalleled capability to navigate through any terrain challenges. The Power Wagon embraced challenges head-on, traversing deep waters, rugged terrain, and mud with unwavering determination and ease. Comfort took a back seat to utility in its design. Interiors were Spartan compared to modern standards. However, for those requiring a vehicle to tackle nature's obstacles and accomplish tasks reliably, the Power Wagon proved to be an unparalleled companion. 1947 Chevrolet Advanced Design. This iconic vehicle emerged during the post-war era's truck boom, blending style with functionality in a way that deeply connected with its generation. The advanced design pickups were propelled by a robust 90-horsepower, 216.5 cubic inch Thriftmaster OHV 6-cylinder engine. This engine provided reliable power for various hauling and transportation needs. Standard equipment included a 3-speed transmission, while buyers could opt for a 4-speed transmission for enhanced control and efficiency, catering to a range of driving preferences and operational requirements. The Advanced Design series maintained a robust presence in the market, running from 1947 to 1955. Over its production span, it provided a range of body styles and engine choices to suit various demands. The 3100 series, notable for its rounded hood and distinctive headlights, stands out as the most sought-after variant. These trucks were renowned for their robust durability, marking a significant leap forward in comfort compared to many earlier workhorses, along with the flexibility of various bed lengths and configurations. The Advanced Design series truly catered to a wide spectrum of needs, ranging from utilitarian farm trucks to the stylish Cameo carrier we previously explored. 1948 Studebaker 2R series. Forget the sleek, chrome-plated monsters that dominate the road today. Let's rewind to a simpler time, the late 1940s and early 1950s. This baby wasn't just any workhorse, it was a game-changer that redefined the roles with an irresistible mix of style and practicality. In an era where trucks were more square and boxy than a shipping container, the 2R series rolls in like a breath of fresh air with its curvaceous design. It was like catching a glimpse of a sports car on a farm, totally unexpected but totally awesome. And here's where the goofiness factor becomes an advantage. The 2R's compact size made it surprisingly maneuverable, allowing it to navigate tight spaces and rough terrain that bigger trucks might struggle with. Fast forward to today, and seeing a Studebaker 2R series on the road is like spotting a rare bird. Its one-of-a-kind design and dedication to driver comfort made it a real showstopper. It is a classic, and if you think that's impressive, you need to watch this next one, 1948 Ford F-Series. In 1948, amidst the post-World War II landscape of burgeoning progress, America witnessed the debut of the iconic 1948 Ford F-Series. A pivotal moment in the evolution of Ford trucks that continues to reverberate in modern times. More than just a utilitarian vehicle, it embodied American resilience and capability, poised to take on any challenge. The 1948 Ford F-Series came equipped with a robust 216.5 cubic inch Thriftmaster OHV 6-cylinder engine delivering 90 horsepower. Known for its reliability, this engine offered ample torque, making it suitable for both heavy-duty tasks and everyday commuting needs. Its performance characteristics underscored Ford's commitment to durable design and functional utility in their F-Series lineup during that era. While it's not adorned with the latest technological marvels of its time, it places a premium on practicality and affordability. Its straightforward design emphasized durability and ease of maintenance, qualities indispensable for individuals whose livelihoods depended on the reliability of their vehicles. The 1948 Ford F-Series wasn't merely a vehicle, it embodied the spirit of American innovation and industriousness. It laid the cornerstone for an enduring legacy that endures today, a testament to the notion that the most crucial attributes often transcend flashy features, emphasizing instead reliability and longevity, qualities that have defined the F-Series year after year. The Chevrolet Cameo carrier. In 1948, the automotive industry was dominated by sturdy trucks designed for rigorous tasks. Then came the Chevrolet Cameo carrier, a vehicle that defied conventional classification. It wasn't merely a truck, it embodied a bold blend of utility and comfort, appealing to a new breed of drivers seeking versatility for both work and leisure. Its base engine was a 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder, known for its reliability and torque output, essential for both work and everyday use. Cameo maintained the sturdy steel box utilized in regular pickups, ensuring durability and practicality in its design. Setting it apart were the innovative fiberglass fender sides integrated into the box, a distinctive feature aimed at enhancing aesthetics and potentially reducing vehicle weight. Drivers had the option of manual transmissions, with choices ranging from 3-speed to 4-speed setups, catering to varying driving needs and preferences. For those preferring automatic transmission, hydromatic options were also available, reflecting advancements in automotive technology for that era. What set the Cameo carrier apart was its distinctive wood-paneled bed. This feature wasn't just for looks, it ingeniously transformed the truck's cargo space into a passenger compartment. The Cameo carrier wasn't merely utilitarian. Chevrolet aimed to craft a truck that blended style with functionality. Departing from the conventional boxy design, it featured sleek curves and chrome embellishments. Inside, it offered a level of comfort uncommon in trucks of its time, with upgraded seating and amenities. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.